Hello, my name is Hassan Ali. I am an associate professor with the Electrical and Computer Engineering Department. I teach the energy conversion course, and now I am at the energy conversion lab. The lab number is 202. So in the lab we have safe laboratory procedures and also laboratory safety procedures. And these two instructions are also posted on the other side of the door. Now I want to show the fire extinguisher. This is the fire extinguisher, and this is the inspection tag. It shows the certificate number 364, and on the other side we can see the inspection was June 2021, 5 years due, and its weight is 12.8 pounds. So here is the first aid kit. Let me open it. So we can see there are bandages, there are gloves, there are ice pack, trauma pads, antiseptic wipes, alcohol wipes, triple antibiotic, plastic strips, and gauze pad, eye dressings. Close it. So here you can see various signage, that is emergency action plans. Here you have signage for earthquake, fire, active threat, tornado. And also here is the signage for wearing safety glasses when using equipment. So here are the safety glasses that students use whenever needed. Also, these days, since COVID-19 situation is going on, that's why we have kept hand sanitizer for the students. Also, we have hand sanitizing wipes, and here we have hand gloves. Okay, now I will be talking about one of the important equipment, which is the universal laboratory machine. So this is called universal machine because we can conduct experiment on both DC machines and AC machines. On DC machines, we do experiment on DC motor and DC generator. For AC machines, we conduct experiments on synchronous machines and induction machines. Here we can see there are various control knobs like dynamometer, rheostat knob, universal machine field rheostat knob, and wound rotor rheostat knobs. Also in this side, we have that DC field excitations which are used with the machines. Okay, now I would like to show the variable speed drive. This is the variable speed drive machine which is used to control the speed of the three-phase wound rotor induction machine. So this means that we connect this device with the three-phase wound rotor induction machines to control the speed. So we have the connection jacks, and then we make connection here. Okay, now I like to explain about the transformer. So we conduct two experiments based on this transformer. So one is a transformer open circuit test and short circuit test, and other is the verification of the three-phase power systems or three-phase circuits. And this is that variable AC transformer, which is connected here as the input to the transformer. Okay, now I would like to show some of our new machines. These machines are called the lab board series machines. Last few years, we are updating the energy conversion lab. The plan is to gradually modernize the lab and replace with those old machines. So here we have DC motor generator set. This one is the synchronous motor generator set, and this one is the lab volt power supply. And here it is 4-quadrant dynamometer or power supply. And this is the resistive load. The main benefit here is that these machines are portable. So easily we can move from here to other station. And if I compare with those old machines, that is universal lab machines, we cannot move there. But these are portable and easily movable. These are modular. And students can clearly see from here through the glass that the rotor is moving. Even they can see the construction of the rotor and stator. In addition to this, also recently we have purchased 4-pole squirrel cage induction motor. And also we have inductive load, capacitive load, data acquisition and control interface, and other accessories. And also department is planning to purchase much more of these sets to fully modernize the lab. So hopefully in few years all of the old machines will be replaced with these updated machines. Okay, also for the lab, first few years back we purchased 2 new equipment. One is called Smart Grid Electrical Generation Trainer, which is used to know the characteristics of 3-phase synchronous machine. Also, it is used to understand how the 2 generators can be connected in parallel, that is how it can be synchronized. So at the bottom we have the induction machine, which are as the prime mover or as the turbine for the synchronous machine. And also here we have another new machine which is called Smart Grid Solar Photovoltaic and Wind Turbine Trainer. This means that by using this latest equipment, we can conduct 2 experiments. One about the solar photovoltaic power generation, and other one is the wind power generation. Now because this is located inside, this means this is indoor equipment. That's why we use on induction machine, which represents the wind turbine or the wind blades. And also here we have the variable DC for the solar power system, which represents the solar irradiance variation and temperature variation. And also we can make a combination from here to there so that it form a integrated power network consisting of synchronous machine and solar and wind turbine system. Now, in addition to utilizing these two equipment for the energy conversion course, also I demonstrate these two machines for the other undergraduate elective course, which is modern grid with renewables. That's why these two machines have been very useful and effective for both the energy conversion and modern grid with renewable courses.